All right, I want to say a couple of things here. First of all, I want everybody to stay calm. I want everybody to stay cool and collected. You don't feel good, you feel stress, you don't like what's happening, the market's going against your position. Well, guess what? I'm going to tell you to embrace it. Embrace it. The more you feel discomfort, the more you get familiar with handling discomfort. Look, that is the natural condition of trading, okay? You want everything to go your way all the time from the minute you put a trade on. You want the world to be all butterflies and rainbows. Well, I hate to bust your bubble and I hate to pop your fantasy, but it's not like that. Progress is made through adversity. Progress is made through pushing through difficulties, through problems, through challenges, through resistance. Resistance makes you stronger. Okay? Embrace this. If you don't like the way you feel today because you got a gold position on or you got a silver position on, I tell you what, just change your frame of mind, change your mentality. As long as you listen to what I said before, if you are not overextended, you have no problem here. The only problem you have here is a mental problem. And as I've said a million billion times, this is a mental game. If you got a mental problem, work on that mental problem. Eradicate the stress, or at least, tamp it down. Don't let it get out of control. Don't let it affect your behavior. Behavior makes you rich, not the markets. Markets just numbers bouncing around. So I wanted to say that, number one. Number two, this sell off in gold is awesome. It's fantastic. I am loving it. You want to know why? Because all the geniuses who I called out many, many months ago, guys like Soros, guys like Druckenheimer, guys like Gundlach, guys like Bill Gross, all these idiots. Remember they said buy gold and sell stocks. It was the worst advice. And I called them out months and months ago. Not once, not twice, but many, many times. That was the worst advice. So all of your, masters of the universe, all of these guys who you might consider to be these giants of the investment game, they're nothing. They are nothing. They are clueless. They are dopes. I know much more than them. People who follow me know much more than them. The things they said, their outlook, their rationale, the basis for everything they do, other than the cheating that they do or the inside information, that's pretty clever. I don't do that. I'm not that clever. And by the way, I guess I should say I am clever, but I just don't want to do that. I don't engage in that. I do things honestly, okay? But they're idiots when it comes to really understanding. So I love this washout in gold. In fact, down here, 1277 on gold, December futures, if you can get in at that level. GDX, GLD, there's some levels I just sent out, by the way, for those MMT Trader subscribers. Euro shot up, something going on there. I don't know what. I'll also mention that today is the second day of the Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah. Lashana Tova to everybody out there who's celebrating. It could be have something, it could be some thinness in the market. People are on holiday. I've seen it a million times. Okay. In the old days, I used to get caught in days like this because, I would think these moves are meaningful. They're not. I mean, these could be moves in a thin market. So I just wanted to get that out there. The gold move is fantastic. All of your gurus, all of your masters, for you mousy boys who think all these people know shit, they're buy gold and sell stocks. And I came out. Who was the guy who said do the opposite of these guys? Yeah, I'm long gold now from 13.18 on the December futures. Basis that. We're 12.77, so it's $40 against me. Big deal, man. I'm not out of the game. I am not out of the game. All right? I got other positions on that are killing it. All right, I just want to get that out there. See you guys later. Bye-bye.